So let's talk about the skills that you need to have in order to manage a social media account. So simple lang siya guys kasi you've been doing that for the past years and hindi mo lang siya namamalayan. First skill that you need to have is reading and research. Yung research, hindi naman siya kailangan na heavy kasi pag sinabing research kasi parang pumapasok sa isip natin is research paper or thesis, parang ganun. Kasi yun yung pumapasok sa isip ko dati when we talk about research. Well, I'm referring to, pag sinabi kong research or reading, I'm talking about being able to read and understand. Pag nagbabasa ka ng isang article and nakukuha mo yung gusto nilang i-communicate sa'yo or you get the messaging, that's it. That's already it. Second skill that I'm going to talk about is writing a copy. So, ano ba yung copy? It's a short term for copyright or copywriting. So, ano ba yung copy? Basically, guys, pasimplehan na lang natin. It's actually, we call it caption. So, if you notice, pag nagpo-post ka ng selfies, nagpo-post ka ng anything on your Facebook account, you put or write captions. So, ganun lang din siya in social media management. You write captions that educates or you write captions na nagre-resonate sa mga target audience nyo. Paano yan? Hindi ako marunong mag-English. Hindi ako magaling magsulat. Mahina ako sa English. Hindi ako marunong magsulat ng magandang caption. So, guys, wag kayong ma-pressure dyan kasi you've been doing it for a long time. Ginagawa nyo yan sa account nyo. And if you are, actually, sa pag-write ng copy, it doesn't have to be, hindi naman siya kailangan sobrang ganda, hindi naman kailangan na sobrang, flowery words, hindi naman kailangan na ganun. All you just need, or the importance of a good copy, is simplicity. So, hindi nyo kailangan ng very, hard words or uncommon words. You just use simple words kasi we are selling here. So, we are connecting to as many people as possible. So, we have to make our copies or captions as simple as possible, as understandable as possible. So, if you're worried about typos like me, kailangan ko talaga to. I use Grammarly to fix my typos kasi really, hindi na ako nagre-read. So, ang tendency, ang dami kong typos, ang dami kong grammar errors. So, Grammarly will definitely help you with that. So, always remember, we are already in the digital era and sobrang modern na ngayon. Sobrang daming tools na ang makakatulong sa atin in delivering our services better. So, kung hindi nyo pa talaga carry magsulat ng copy, then you can use Copy AR or Jarvis. They are parang AI automated tools na gumagawa ng caption nyo. So, all you just need to do if you have that on is copy-paste na lang talaga and maybe edit some parts. So, it's like parang done for you copy siya. The thing lang is, hindi siya libre. It has a fee and it's kind of expensive, lalo na pag nagsistart ka pa lang. So, next skill is graphic design. So, when I say graphic design, parang ma-overwhelm tayo. Sasabihin natin, oh my God, di ako marunong mag-graphic design. Hindi ako marunong mag-Photoshop. Di ko alam paano gamitin yung Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, Cutout, because we have Canva, we have Crello. So, just like sa copy, writing a copy, may mga tools din tayo na ginagamit for graphic design. So, napapabilis nila yung buhay natin. And I'm speaking of Canva, Crello, ano pa ba? Ang daming design tools na pwede natin gamitin for social media posts. Kung gusto mong maging social media manager pero takot ka kasi wala kang design skills, then delete mo na yan kasi we have Canva. And we have other tools that we can use. Okay, so, sa next video, medyo madugo siya and it can be some kind of overwhelming to some of you. Siguro, kasi yung mga ibang hindi pa nakapag talaga sa social media, wala pang experience, like very zero knowledge, siguro ma-overwhelm ka, but don't be overwhelmed kasi step by step lang naman siyang gagawin and I know you can do it. So, if you are sleepy right now, kung inaantok ka ngayon or may iba kang ginagawa, maya ka na lang mag-proceed sa next video para gusto ko kasi when you watch the next video, I want you to have all ears and all attention. Para, productive. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!